Hi everybody! Today we're going to do a flow called lunch break yoga. In this flow, it's going to be very short so that you have enough time to eat and do a little bit of yoga. It's going to be easy on the body, but very efficient in stretching out your muscles, whether you've been on your feet all day or sitting all day. You do not need a yoga mat for this flow. You can do this in any outfit you have. And when you're ready, let's get started. To begin, bring your feet to hip-width distance apart and relax your arms beside you. I just want you to begin a very gentle sway from side to side. As you're swaying from side to side, try to release tension that you might be holding on to in your arms. Just let momentum take over as you're winging your arms around. I'm just going to start by loosening up the muscles in your body. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a deep breath out through your mouth. Very good. Now bring your arms to stillness. Place your hands on your hips and begin to take very gentle hip circles, as big and wide as you can. Drawing a really big circle on the ground. If you're having pain in your hips or you're feeling a pop, you can add a gentle bend to your knees, and that's going to help release the pressure. Very good. Now reverse your circles, pressing your hips nice and wide. Just continue to breathe here. Great job. Just a few more circles here. Awesome. Come back to stillness. Bring your hands to your shoulders and just begin very gentle shoulder circles here, bringing your arms back behind you. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, down behind you. Very good. Just find a rhythm that feels good in your body. Now reverse your circles, bringing them behind, up, forward, and down. Very great. Again, maybe you have a few shoulder pops or kinks. That's okay. Just trust that you know what's best for your body. If you're feeling pain with these shoulder circles, you can also just bring your arms out. So find whatever works good in your body. Great job. Relax your arms down and then swing them forward and back just a little bit. Try to open up your chest rather than hunching forward and squeeze your core tight just a little bit. Inhale, exhale. Right on. Now bring your arms to stillness and relax yourself. Bring your right hand to your belly and your left hand to your heart. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Now just continue your breath like that. Just take a moment here to let go of anything that's not serving you. Maybe someone rubbed you the wrong way today, or work is stressing you out. Just release all of that. Right now, all I want you to focus on is your breath. Inhale, exhale. Now relax your arms down by your side. Bring your feet just to gentle hip-width distance apart and inhale, mountain pose. Lift your biceps up by your ears. In this posture, I want you to press down through the three corners of each foot to engage your legs, squeeze your quad muscles and lift them up off of your kneecap. Draw your tailbone down and tuck your tummy in and relax your shoulders from your ears. Take a deep breath in and a deep exhale. One more inhale and exhale your hands to heart center for Samasthiti. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, baby back bend. Goal post your arms or cactus your arms gently behind you, drawing your arms into a W shape here. Take a deep inhale, lift your chest up to the sky. And as you exhale, squeeze the muscles in your glutes. That's gonna protect your low back here. Take another deep inhale and exhale. Inhale, mountain pose, reach your arms up. Exhale, capture your right wrist with your left hand and reach over to the left side. Inhale, peel your heart open. And exhale, reach just a little bit deeper. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, capture your left wrist and pull over to the right side. Inhale, peel your heart open. Exhale, reach. Inhale, exhale. One more round of breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, mountain pose, rise up. Exhale, vertical twist to the right. Drop your right arm down and back, opening up your arms to the side. Now, as you can see here, you can still see both of my hip points. So when you're twisting, it's all in your spine. So rather than opening your hips to the side, keep your hips squared and feel the twist in the top of your back. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, look back. Inhale. Exhale here. Inhale, mountain pose. And exhale, vertical twist to the other side. Take a deep breath in. And a deep exhale. Inhale. Exhale, look back to your hand. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, mountain pose. And exhale, fold forward and down. Bring your hands through heart center. Add a gentle bend to your knees and allow your head and neck to hang heavy. You can grab opposite elbows here if that feels good for you. And just gently bend and straighten one leg at a time to get a deeper stretch in your hamstrings. Now we're going to move through this loaded sun salutation, a breath to movement. Bring yourself to stillness and inhale, mountain pose. Bring your biceps up by your ears. Exhale, Samasthiti. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, baby back bend, cactus your arms. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, lateral reach to the left. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, lateral reach to the right. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, vertical twist. Keep your hips forward. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, vertical twist to the left. Keep your hips forward. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, fold forward and down. Bring your hands through heart center. Add a gentle bend to your knees. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale, mountain pose, rise up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, baby back bend, cactus your arms. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, lateral reach to the left. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, lateral reach to the right. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, vertical twist to the right. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, vertical twist to the left. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, fold forward and down. We're going to move through the sun salutation 2 more times. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, cactus your arms, baby back bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, lateral reach to the left. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, lateral reach to the right. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, vertical twist to the right. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, vertical twist to the left. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, fold forward and down. One more time. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, baby back bend. Goal post your arms. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, lateral reach to the left. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, lateral reach to the right. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, vertical twist to the right. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, vertical twist to the left. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, release your arms down by your side. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale. And a deep exhale through your mouth. Now just stand here for a moment. Relax your shoulders from your ears. Take another deep inhale through your nose. Through your mouth, exhale. And open your eyes. Thank you so much for taking time to do your yoga with me today. Namaste, yogis.